find the greater of the two, then also you have to first find the LCM, then only you can compare. You need to have the common base to compare. When you will find that this has common base, and when you will change this, suppose they 8 and 5 is giving me 8 into 5 as LCM as 40. So 3 by 8, if I have to change this to 40, this I will multiply by 5, this I will multiply by 5. So the fraction will become 15 by 40, and this 2 by 5 will become 5 8s are 40. So I will multiply this 8, 16 by 40. Now you can compare these by looking at the numerator. So 16 is greater. You can't compare like by looking at them like this only. Ascending descending order, you will first find the common LCM of all the numbers. You will rearrange the numerator. You will do the adjustment in numerators, and then you will find out which one is greater. If your question is asking you to explicitly asking that convert this, give me the answer in mixed number, and you are leaving the answer in improper fraction, then again you will lose marks. Some people cancel the number, like if they have to simplify, they will say 6 is here, 6 is here, we can cancel. This is again wrong. You can't cancel individual digits. This is one number, this is one number. You can't cancel individual digits. So what we have learned, in addition and subtraction, you will find the equal denominator required, and then add numerators. Multiply, you will top times top, bottoms times bottom. For division, you will apply KFM, but you have to keep this in mind that flipping is of second number only. And for mixed numbers, you will multiply whole number with the denominator, and then you will be adding the numerator, and denominator will remain same. And for simplifying, you need to find the highest common factor. I have given you one shortcut method for finding them out correctly and not getting in